been here with Pierre Driving School in Brooklyn, New York, okay? So we're doing our lesson continuing. As always, we record almost all of our lesson that we're doing here. Okay, we're gonna do a few lefts and right, just like always, and give you guys some printers. If you guys ever have any questions, put in the comment below. Looking the left hand at this traffic light coming up here, signal left. I see the humans are crossing, we're gonna let them clear. I'm gonna still pull out straight. Your left, shoulder left. Okay, and look over to your right. See if anybody not overtaking you on both directions. When you stop, you like to see the tire of the car in front of you touching the ground. If you are new here, my name is Ben. I'm one of the instructors at Pierre Driving School. And this channel we do everything driving. So if it's the first time here, I'm tired. If it's your first time here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification subscribe. So each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If you do have anything you want us to cover in particular, you put in the comment below. That's where we have most of our videos topic picking out from. Split wood, signal to the right, mirror right, shoulder right, go over to your right. You go to your right by yourself without the examiner telling you, because the student must always be on the right side of the wood. If the examiner have to tell you to move over to your right, then it's a problem as you're doing your wood test, okay? By the way, if you really have done your wood test already, let me know how many times did you do it. And if you did, where did you do your wood test? Here in Brooklyn, I did my wood test 3 times before I finally passed. If I finally passed, because reason why? I thought driving was just driving, but that's when I come to understand. You come to my understanding there is more than driving than just driving. The minute that I understand that, I was able to take a few more lessons and pass my wood test barely on the 3rd time. All right, so that's the reason why we put. That's what gave birth to the channel, to make sure that we share everything that we know of, not only that can help you to pass your wood test and also be safe, be a safe driver on the road, and can also enable you to be going places by yourself and wherever else it may take you. That's why we try to help you here. All right, so we understand sometimes things can be in the way, but if you can just turn on your phone and watch a few videos or listen to a few tips in relation to the thing that you're ready to do or you wanted to do, that will give you a heads up above those people who've never been presenting to those things, where they only have to do it while they're doing it. Although driving is pragmatic, but the theory part of it, the video part of it, also can make you, can prepare you up in a bit for you to go for your wood test. I'm tired already. I'm up early walking. So I keep to the right. Reason why? Student must always be on the right side of the road. right on at the corner. Mirror right, shoulder right, lessen the speed and make the turn fall to my closest lane. It's a 2-lane unmarked road. How you recognize that? Let me fall back so you can see. When it's a 2-lane, you're coming up to the black, you're gonna see the white line here is halfway through. Okay, if it was a one-way street, it would have been all the way across. As you come in, you see that half line here, that letting you know this traffic is a 2-lane street if it's on an unmarked roads. Because sometimes students get confused, they do not are able to recognize when it's a 2-way and when it's a 1-way. That's how you recognize that from here. Or also, another way you can do that, traffic park on both directions. But if there's no traffic parking on either side, the ground, that's what will let you know. See a big school bus coming in here, and there will be no room here. What's the right thing for you to, what the right thing to do? I'm gonna dash in here to my right. I'm gonna continue to go. All right, I'm gonna continue to go here. I'm gonna do mirror right, shoulder right, folks. I'm gonna pull in here to give the bus a little clearance. Okay, these are driving technique tips. All right, let me reversing. Signal back here. Look behind you as the car is reversing. Okay. I'm not parking, however, because if I continue to go here, the bus will have a hard time to come in, and the UPS guy just parked the car and keep it moving. That's how they park here in New York City. Making a big road delivery where you could pull over to the left and park. It's just, the bus could look clear though. Probably a new driver. Let me show you guys again. The bus could have cleared. Let me show you the bus here. See, the bus could have cleared though. The bus probably a new driver. See, now I'm in that little back, that's when he's trying to pull him over, but the could have cleared from the get-go. Yeah, the bus could have cleared way from the get-go. He's just a new driver. You see that, guys? The bus could have cleared and cleared again. And the UPS taking all of his time like it's no one business. It's working all over the block. Yeah, the bus could have cleared. Hey, but I don't blame the bus. You know, if you don't feel like safe, then you don't go. But the bus could have cleared and cleared again. Yep. By the way, guys, I used to be a bus driver as well. I used to drive the city line. You know, the bigger bus in the city in New York City. I did that for a few. You see now the guy put it in. Could have done that right from the get-go. Yep. Yeah. All right, guys, continue. Mirror left, shoulder left. And let's go on. Yep. Yeah, I used to have the city line. That was way back in the days. And I've done a lot of driving in my life. Yep, the bus could have cleared. There was too many of them. Even an airplane could have landed in the gap that was left for that by the UPS. The bus driver probably a rookie. You know, I don't blame him. If you're a rookie, you're not certain what you're doing. So I strongly suggest you just don't do it. You know, they train you when you were doing that on MTA training. You're not proceeding in a spot that you're not sure of is clear. Otherwise you're stuck with the trouble. Yellow light, not for students, folks. For the purpose of the road test, yellow light means red. If you take a road test or yellow light, they will fail you the test. Try your best not to take yellow light, okay, folks? It's not going to be good for you at all. Guys, if you like anything for us to cover in particular, put it in the comment below. This being with Pierre Driving School. The channel is all about driving. Any families and friends that can benefit from this channel, let them know so it can help them better themselves. Until then, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Driving School. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye.